Hello everybody, welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Yum Nuer or beef spicy salad.
So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Okay, the ingredient we used 300 gram of sirloin steak, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and sliced shallot. So and tomato, onion and coriander, red pepper, green pepper, celery, fresh mint, cucumber, and fresh Thai small red chilli. And beef, we put a little bit of black pepper before we grill. Let's start. We're going to grill beef about 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how you like the beef. Now we grill the beef. They're on a medium heat. It takes about 5 minutes, 7 minutes. So we cook medium today. Just leave it 3 minutes and then turn the other side for 3 minutes. When we turn the other side, and leave about 3-4 minutes. Yeah. Then we slice. Yeah, this is medium. See the juice come out. Okay, let's start. Okay, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we mix together. Then we put the sliced shallot. Chili and spring onion, coriander, tomato, green pepper, red pepper, celery, mint, cucumber. Okay, we mix together. And put in the beef. Then we mix together. Then the plate ready. I just taste a bit. It's nice. Put in the bread. Okay, I'm going to taste my Yum Nuer or beef spicy salad. This perfect taste. It's nice. hot and spicy. Yeah, it's nice. I love it. Gorgeous. Okay, this is our Yum Nuer or beef spicy salad. Hope you enjoy our video and try to cook at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bang the bell. And stay safe. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.